What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wall, and today I got another grill review. We out here at Sewer Park, the Loop, Washington. 75 degrees out. It's a Wednesday, my day off, and I'm finna give a review on this grill. I'm finna cook a steak and some asparagus right quick. I'm finna break it out. Here we go. If you can see real close, the illuminators of the Pacific Northwest. Yugo gear, established 1971. I got this off Amazon. I believe, I forgot what price it was, but I'll put it all in the description down below. Let's crack her open. Comes in a nice kit. I like the way it looks inside the bag. It's a real snug fit. Kind of got some discoloration. I think that's only because of the using it. I've used it a few times already. It's actually starting to rust already, but that's only because it's steel and it's gotten some water in it, I bet. Probably from in my bag. I just went paddleboarding, so you put these through the middle right here. Boom, bada boom. It's really easy to plant inside the rock so you can get it real even. So that's how it looks on the inside. Pretty roomy. And I'm not even gonna use the grill today. I'm gonna cook on coals today. So pretty even. I got some natural wood coals right here, some natural lump coal, and as you can see, smells delicious. I'm gonna put some big ones on top, put all the small ones at the bottom. Gotta keep some paper just to start the fire up real good. Like off the top, by the design, I bet you can tell that it's already easier to use than the last video that I made from the last one that I got off Amazon. That was like 25 bucks or so. I think this one was like 35 or something. But surprisingly really easier to use, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's way easier assembly. You don't got to do all of that pulling and, you know, like the little box creation that it is on the last video. There's only going to be a link up in the corner.
And this is just me mapping on from knowing that she has family from Rhodesia. Is it like a very like
I'm right next to a trail. People don't have access to this little private beach that I'm on right now. So it works out great that I ain't gotta worry about people talking right next to me. Just twisting this up so it can get a good burn once I do light it. So we're back, man. Gotta get this over with because there's a lot of nosy people. I'm like in the area where people can't really see me, so they're kind of like, you know, worried about a fire when they can't see us in the grill and stuff, because it's perfectly legal to do what I'm doing. But today we got thin cut. This is all they had, some T-bone thin cut. I usually get eye round, but I couldn't find that, surprisingly, at 10 in the morning. And then I got some handy dandy asparagus. So while you see that the grill, the coals are almost completely white, so we're gonna get it over with. Hurry up and throw some of this on the grill so I can get people out of my business. And it's like, for people who are asking, it's a really wide, like it's almost like a foot long, probably like a half a foot wide. This is the grill grate right here, so you can obviously see, you know, these lines right here fit where these lips are at the end. And I've cooked on it before. It's pretty wide. I like cooking on the coals because it gives it a smoky flavor, and it's just something different. So let's get one of these T-bones out here, you dig? That one don't necessarily look like a T, but it'll do. Seasoning with some steak and chop. Bada bing, bada boom. All he need right there, man. Then I flip. Yeah. You know, you're probably like, oh, that's enough season. This is how black people season. You know what I'm saying? Not to offend anybody, but yeah. We need our flavor. You understand me? I can't just taste meat. Just tasting meat is not good to me. Bam, we got the asparagus right quick. Boom. Remember the show Kid Next Door? This is what this reminds me of. The sea of asparagus. Oops. Got some good old Reynolds wrap, you know what I'm saying? A little bit more. Oh, I forgot. We're going to take maybe a little bit of water. What's going to do though, and take some of this New Orleans Cajun. Need the water first. Hold on. That's for steaming purposes and to get the seasoning to stick as well. Because we're out here bushcrafting it, you dig? Take some of this New Orleans Cajun. Heavily, you know what I'm saying? Because that water is going to kind of blend it up, you know what I'm saying? Make sure we put that back how it was. Make sure we fold it over to keep that water in there. I know this is kind of messy, but it's just like, I'm on a hill right now. Like, I'm working, okay? I'm working with it. Bada bing, bada boom. Then I'm gonna take one more piece of foil just to over wrap it so none of that steam releases to this leaving water. Already moving some water. Bam! Throwing that on there like that. Let's fan it a bit real quick. Making sure all the coals is nice and hot, you know what I'm saying? Because some of them are still not completely done, but it's pretty good. And the one thing I like about this grill the most is it's pretty good size. It's a pretty good size. Like, you can fit a few different things on here. Like the grill that I reviewed last year, you can only put like one steak at a time on there, and it couldn't be a big steak. Like a steak this long and wide would not fit on the last grill. This grill, it's pretty good. I feel it all depends on what you're making, but some average size stuff, you can put like 2 meals on here at a time. Like there was a point in time where I had 2 eye-round steaks on here at one time. But let's listen to that. Oh nope, that time. And it's a thin steak, so it's gonna cook like that. Yeah, boy. Look at it cook, man. And it's just like the versatility of the stand makes it easier to kind of place anywhere. So that's kind of why it's able to sit on the slant like it is without it tipping over or being too slanted where stuff can slide off or, you know, of that nature. So that's another thing I like about this one. Let's look at how it's doing. It's been on that side for a little bit now. Flip that joint one time. Got a little bit of burn there. Little flame kicked up, you know what I'm saying? Look at all that smoke. This is flavoring the shit out of it. That's all it's doing. Might as well get this other one out the way just in case. Looks like this joint is about done. It cooks super fast. Super fast. Smells delicious. Oh boy. Damn, the flame keeps kicking up. I'm trying to kick it away. But yeah, man, if I can rate this grill, it's gonna be like a 7. I feel like because it does have this. I forgot to talk about this. It's so you can pick up the grill grate, you know what I'm saying, from off the top of it without having to like pick everything off. You can just set it on the table or whatever you want to do. It works out. I will say it's just automatically better than the last one. I know that much. But hit that like, hit that subscribe, man. I'm about to hit these grills, hit this up and eat this, man. Cause I'm hungry, I ain't gonna lie. I've been on my board the entire time for a while now, and I'm ready to eat. I'm pretty sure that these asparagus is gonna be done, but man, this water walk. That's the grill review for the Illuminators of the Pacific Northwest Grill. Amazon, go get that, man. You got any questions, comments down below. I know I probably missed a few things. I'm trying to, in a hurry, in a little way. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Hit that subscribe joint, man. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm out.